everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these super cute bookmarks. Oh my gosh, these are so extra and so cute and kawaii and like... So I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video, and let's get started. So here is what you'll be needing. Some paperboard. I have a tissue box here. Some printed out pictures or stickers of your favorite characters. Some Mod Podge. This is in no particular order, I'm just grabbing stuff. And a little paintbrush. Some scissors. And a heart-shaped hole puncher. Look, it's heart-shaped. Ah! Okay. It's pink. Some colorful paper. Some lace and stuff. Yep. Whee. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is dismantle your cardboard paper box. Just make it flat and stuff like this. Yep. So once you dismantle your cardboard box, you are going to want to go ahead and measure out 2 rectangles for each bookmark you want to make of cardboard, and just measure them so they fit back to back together. You can do a rectangle of cardboard if you wish. I just did 2 to make mine more sturdier. And go ahead and take some Mod Podge and glue them back to back, so the paperboard side is showing outwards. Don't worry, we're going to cover the paperboard side with decorative paper, but yeah, go ahead and glue them like so, and hold them so they dry. Yeah, like so. So I went ahead and took a break and had some French fries for dinner, and we're back. So as you can see, I cut off some of the uneven edges of our cardboard bookmarks and cut a piece of decorative paper, just enough to cover the corners like so. After cutting a rectangle of paper that slightly fits your rectangle of cardboard, you're going to want to cut some edges and fold it over, just as I'm doing here. It's kind of hard to explain, just make some edges to fold over. The whole back doesn't have to be covered. We're going to put another piece of paper on the back. I also noticed I did mess up with this part. Cut off a little edge near the end there so it doesn't so it folds. It wasn't folding a little bit, and here I'm showing you guys. So yeah, I just went ahead and folded down all the edges and then just secure them with a little bit of glue and hold them for a few seconds, and it should stick. Yep. So once you're done with that step, the backs of the bookmarks should look like this, and the front should be covered with paper. And then I had some trouble gluing the back side of the sparkly paper to the paper bookmarks, so now you're gonna see how that's gonna go. I'm putting my foot on this glitter one because it will not stick. I don't know if we're going to be able to do the sparkly glitter one. This paper's too glittery. And it's getting everywhere. Oh boy. This one is not going to work. It's not sticking very well at all. So we will be only doing 2 bookmarks. Yay, now it's time to decorate. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my characters and put Rainbow Dash on here and Desert Rose, my G3, My Little Ponies, on these bookmarks. Like show you. So now I'm gonna go ahead and Mod Podge these on. Woo! Okay, I'll stop being a goof. So once all sides of your bookmarks are covered with paper, you're gonna want to go ahead and secure on your characters with Mod Podge, or if they're stickers, you can just stick them on. Put some glitter on it. And for the glitter bookmark, I tried to stick together. It didn't work, and it made a mess, and I had to vacuum. So yeah. Woohoo! So it's currently a couple days later. I'm sorry this video is late. But these are now dry, and it's time for our final steps. Now I was wondering, there's a lot of empty space above my Rainbow Dash here. I was wondering if I could add a cute, Rainbow Dash quote. I'm going to look that up and see what I can do. So yeah, here we go. So I messed it up. Tried to do it with a pencil, and I decided to print it out. And I printed out 1,400 of them. But I think I finally got the right quote, as you guys can see here. Some Girls Are Just Born with Glitter in Their Veins by Paris Hilton. I thought that was very cute and very fitting for Rainbow Dash, while everything's covered with glitter. So I went ahead and cut out each individual word and put them on the bookmark and secured them with some Mod Podge, just to add more cute decoration. And it looked really cute, and of course the most important thing after gluing all that on was to add some glitter on top of the glitter quote with the Kawaii glitter bookmarks. So yes, that was very important. So for our next and final step, you're going to be needing some different ribbons and lace and a hole puncher, because we're going to add our little ends to the bookmarks, or whatever you want to call them. So yeah. So first things first, I guess, pick what ribbons and lace you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put all of these. I have this vintage one. I have these I got from the craft store, and put them in the bookmarks, like so. Cut the right amount and put them in the bookmarks. Yeah, like so. Find exactly where you want to hole punch and go. Use all your force. Oh no, this didn't go as planned. Well, we've got an indentation so far. One moment, please. We're having technical difficulties. So after tons of carving, I made an itty bitty hole. With scissors and the hole puncher and a safety pin over here. So there must be an easier way to do this. If you find an easier way, please let me know down in the comments. But we're gonna go ahead and tie these ribbons in. Now take your ribbons and thread them through, like so. I had to search this up. First time I did it didn't work. So, you know, that's great. So yeah, I basically took the ends of the ribbon and looped them through the loop of the ribbon to tie it, if that makes any sense, into the bookmark. Here you can see kind of what I mean by that. And it came out super cute. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and all that stuff. And yeah, we'll see you next week. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. Check out any of my other videos if you want to. And yeah, bye.